Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So, let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to MK YouTube channel. Today, we will use PuLID Flux for comfyUI, which allows you to create consistent characters in your AI-generated images. This is a complete step-by-step guide on using Flux PuLID locally in comfyUI to achieve consistent faces across multiple images. This is perfect for our AI movie that we want to make, and we will need it in the next video. Why I made this video? It's also perfect for designers or anyone working with character-based AI art who needs reliable facial consistency. So, what exactly is the Flux PuLID workflow? In simple terms, PuLID is a method that lets us generate images based on a single input image, preserving key facial features while allowing for changes in other aspects, like clothing, background, or style. This approach is especially useful if you're looking to create a series of images where the character's face stays recognizable. No matter the environment or artistic variations, we'll be leveraging PuLID, a facial consistency model that works smoothly with Flux. To avoid the usual VRAM-heavy solutions, like training LoRAs, making this accessible even if you're running a setup with limited VRAM. By the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to set up and use Flux PuLID on comfyUI for all your character consistency needs. Let's get started. First, ensure you're running the latest version of comfyUI. Now, let's proceed with installing the comfyUI PuLID Flux node. First, go to the GitHub link and copy the provided code. You can scroll down and find the link with git clone. You can use it too. Then, navigate to the Custom Nodes folder in comfyUI. Click the path location bar, type CMD, and press Enter to open command prompt in this location. Next, type git clone add a space and paste the copied GitHub code. Then press Enter to begin installation. Once the installation is complete, make sure the installation was successful and close the command prompt. So, ensure everything is placed correctly in comfyUI PuLID Flux folder. The next step is to download the Flux PuLID pre-trained model from the Hugging Face link. Navigate to the root folder, then comfyUI and models folder. Save the model in the models folder. Create a subfolder. Name it PuLID and save it there. Then download the EVA clip model for PuLID from the Hugging Face link. Navigate to the root folder, then comfyUI and models folder. As well, place the clip model into the clip folder under models. And now, this is one of the most important steps, so be careful. Now download the Antelope v2 zip file. Download Antelope v2 by clicking the button. It may take a while. This step is very important for the proper functioning of PuLID. You need Insight Face with Antelope v2, and the unzipped models should be placed in a subfolder in Insight Face like I show on the screen. Save it in the Insight Face folder. Then, navigate to the Models subfolder and place it there. Unzip the file and move its contents into the following path. Ensure everything is placed correctly. Otherwise, errors may occur during generation. Next, navigate to the root folder to check the Python version used by comfyUI. Click the path location bar. Type CMD and press Enter to open command prompt in this location. Type python_embedded_python exe-v and press Enter. As you can see, you have the version of Python, indicating where we're using Python version 3.12.7. Now, go to the GitHub link to download the appropriate version for comfyUI Python. In this case, the Insight Face CP3 and 12. Save this file in the Python_embedded subfolder under comfyUI. Then open the Python_embedded subfolder. Click in the path location bar. Type cmd and press enter to open command prompt in this directory. Paste the installation code and press enter. I have already done the installation. That's why I don't run it. Once the installation is complete, close the command prompt. Lastly, we'll install the necessary requirements for the PuLID Flux node. So, navigate to the custom nodes directory for comfyUI PuLID Flux node. Then open command prompt at that location. Paste the installation code and press enter to install all required dependencies for the node to function. I have already done the installation. That's why I don't run it. Correctly, once the installation is complete, you can close the command prompt. With the installation complete, we can open our workflow to start using Flux PuLID. You can find this workflow on Examples folder in PuLID Flux subfolder in Custom Node folder. If you encounter any issues with nodes, or if they're not functioning, go to the comfyUI Manager. Click Update All and restart comfyUI. This should resolve any node problems. To test that everything works, I change the image. I choose a woman face with the same prompt and I launch. It can take a while. It is just a prototype that uses some convenient model hacks for the encoder section. You can test the model's quality with different models. For better results, it's recommend the 16-bit or 8-bit GGUF model version of Flux 1. Dev. The 8E5M2 returns blurry backgrounds. Everything works correctly. We are then ready for our next video very soon, so keep in touch. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So, keep in touch.